I am, because I'm here for you guys, making sure they don't, you know, hurt y'all, break rules.
Yeah,
violate your rights. So is that your car?
That's my friend's car, and they're gonna tell me I need to leave, but I'm gonna call his sister in.
But they're searching it without a warrant.
And they searching his clothes without a warrant, so they in violation.
And no consent, no consent.
I'm gonna let her know.
The only way you can search it is with a warrant, or if they have consent, or
they ain't got no problem, no reason.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel CFW Carolina in Fort Worth. Please take a moment and head over to her YouTube channel and show her some love by subscribing to her channel. Today's video took place on April 13th, 2022 in Fort Worth, Texas. The auditor was out cop watching when she came across a bunch of police officers at a gas station. She pulled out her camera and started filming the situation. The auditor stayed back a reasonable distance from the police who were searching a car. All seemed well and was going well until one of the officers walked up and started talking to the auditor. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
Watch this. Hey, y'all got consent to search that car? Did y'all get consent to search that car? Why are y'all searching that car without permission? Where's the warrant? Let us see the warrant. Where's y'all's warrant? Let me see your warrant. Why are y'all searching bags and stuff? That's not a Terry stop. You can't go into compartments. You can't go into bags. Why are y'all searching that car? You don't have permission to search that car. Where's the warrant? Why are you searching in that purse? You can't go inside purses, compartments. You can't go in backpacks. You can't go in any compartments. You don't have consent. No consent, no warrant. Why are you going into that laundry bag? You have no consent to be in those bags. You can't go into bags. You can't go into compartments. No warrant. No warrant.
He got a great mustache. Record him right there. Record him getting in that car right there.
Hey, get out of the car! You don't have consent for that!
Get him right there, the one that's right there. Which one? That one in that car right there.
You don't have consent to be in that car! That's real mature. Mature, you're real mature, you clown! What a clown! What's wrong with these people?
We don't need.
Why do you got prior?
We have probable cause.
You don't have probable cause.
Yes, we do.
Where's your? You can only search a car if you have someone arrested or a warrant.
Yes.
You have neither one of those. You don't have a warrant, and you don't have anybody in custody from this car.
Yes. Is it two females and a guy?
No, it's two males and a female.
Okay,
so what's your clown
what's the guy named Larry Gooden?
I don't know. I haven't.
Okay, then I need to know because I need to know if that's my husband. Because if that's so, that's my husband.
Okay. Well, as soon as I find out, I'll let you know.
Okay, then I'll go ask somebody else.
Clowns, right?
I just got your body loud.
You don't have to leave. You don't have to leave.
Oh, and there was drugs in Plainview.
In Plainview?
So
They're not. People aren't that stupid.
Cause to search the vehicle.
All right. Did y'all hear that?
Warrantless.
But what gives him permission to act like that? Yeah, it was in Plainview. Are you sure it was in Plainview?
Yeah, when it's sitting on the floorboard, you can see it.
What was it? Maybe it was just like, you know, some over here. There's that fool right there. See where that man's standing? C648. That's the one that blared his horn at me. So I was asking why when they're searching the car, I was asking where the warrant was. What is this? Is this not a car? Look at this. Oh my God. Somebody. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that. Where are the cars?
you're not surrounding having sex with your kids, are you?
What?
You're not having any more sex with kids, are you? Like you did when you were a teacher?
Where'd you hear that?
That's what I heard. Is that true?
What do you think?
I don't know.
Can you believe
gotta
that?
back up. Back
Oh.
up. Back
Hey,
up.
wait, I'm falling. Hang on.
Back up. You're warm up on the film. Just get the film right over here. Let's walk over there.
I want to go over there and talk to that guy.
You gotta sit right over there.
When's the last time you had sex with a
I've
kid?
already told you.
Wait, don't cut that camera
I've already
off. What are
told you to
doing?
walk over. You didn't move.
What are you
you're
talking
under
about?
arrest.
What are you talking
Stop
about?
resisting
I didn't
arrest.
do anything.
Stop
I
resisting
didn't do
arrest.
anything. I didn't. Ow! Ow! God damn it! I didn't do
Stop
anything.
resisting arrest.
I didn't do anything. Hey, I didn't do anything.
Stop resisting arrest.
I wasn't doing anything. Oh my God! I didn't do anything. I'm going to run this one more time without sound and kind of give you a play-by-play. He walked up to me all nice and cordial and then throws that question out at me to defame me. Hey, are you still sleeping with kids like you used to do when you were a teacher? And when I didn't react to it, that's when he started pushing me back, pushing me. You know, get back. And I'm like, hey, wait a minute, I'm falling. And he pushes me back. And remember, I'm on a public sidewalk at this time. So he's pushing me back. And then I said, hey, wait a minute. I want to film that guy over there. And he says, nope, you're going to do it from right over there, meaning where I was standing. And then I just asked him, then this is what happened. I said, so are you sleeping with any minor kids? And that's when he attacked me. Because what's good for the goose ain't good for the gander, I guess. So let me show you it again, but with the sound. And then you can kind of get a better idea.
Carolina, you're not surrounding having sex with your kids, are you?
What?
You're not having any more sex with kids, are you? Like you did when you were a teacher?
Where'd you hear that?
That's what I heard. Is that true?
What do you think?
I don't know.
Can you believe
gotta
that?
back up. Back
Oh.
up. Back
Hey,
up.
wait, I'm falling. Hang on.
Back up. You're warm up on the film. Just get the film right over here. Let's walk over there.
I want to go over there and talk to that guy.
You gotta sit right over there.
When's the last time you had sex
I've
with a kid?
already told you.
Wait, don't cut that camera
I've
off.
already told you to walk over. You didn't move.
What are you talking about? What are you talking
Stop
about?
resisting
I didn't
arrest.
do anything.
Stop
I
resisting
didn't do
arrest.
anything. I didn't. Ow!
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out CFW Carolina in Fort Worth's YouTube channel and show her some love by subscribing to her channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.